6 o'clock?
My phone's charging. Probably at least, yeah.
Should we get dinner? Should we do? I still haven't gotten anything at Ronto Roasters yet.
You haven't had the Ronto wrap?
No.
It's honestly probably one of the best theme park food items.
It's a dinner thing, right?
You can get the wraps for lunch or dinner. It's right.
But it's not a breakfast. Well, obviously it's not breakfast.
Breakfast one, but breakfast ends like at 10 a.m.
Okay, let's get a Ronto wrap.
You can also mobile order.
Yeah, we'll do that. Well, let's get a table though. That is a Ronto roaster.
Ronto wrap.
Ronto wrap. Ian said it's a glorified hot dog, but a damn good.
It's a damn good
glorified hot dog.
A pork sausage, grilled pork,
there's extra right here.
A coleslaw and a peppercorn sauce and a pita bread wrap.
I love slaw on a dog or in a burger. Go get it, Ian. I very much love the idea of having these a raised area here, a terraced area to eat while you're having your Ronto wrap.
Critter Country has it. Hungry Bear is raised.
Yes.
You walk down into Critter Country.
Yeah, that's true.
So if you're not with your down, if you're walking inland, you're looking up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fantasyland doesn't have it so much, but there are areas that are raised, like by Casey Jr.
Yes, that's true. Yeah. It's not a dining location, but you can take your food there.
Yeah.
But having said that, I do very much like having my lunch in the seating area at Village House. Look at this scene, FreshBaked. If you had to guess, Ian, more or less people taking photos in front of the Falcon than in front of the castle?
Honestly, I feel it's comparable.
It feels like it's competitive, at least.
There is a line over there. There is a line over there for the photo booths.
Let's walk that way.
So, like, it is quite the photogenic object.
By the way, to that point, don't be caught standing around here doing nothing, because somebody will ask you to take their picture. Wow. Well, it's a little line. Now, this is the other thing I wanted to...
So that's standby. And back, you can see the gates open. That's just usually the overflow area where it's essentially just black backstage, but with a bunch of like shipping crates painted to be more Star Warsy and some canvas overhead.
Right behind that,
a whole bunch of switchback tape on the ground.
Right behind that is pure backstage.
And just blocks of pure switchbacks.
Yeah. No, I mean behind.
But yes.
Behind that green and blue, whatever that is.
That shipping crate.
Yeah. Is that what those are? Yeah. Okay.
I mean, technically behind that gate is supposed to just be backstage.
It is 100% backstage.
It is not good show.
It's not a good show at all.
I'm assuming the hope is that once the other rides open, they will need that space. Because I guarantee that weird block of space is where the restaurant would have gone. Because it's just this weird open like.
Yeah, this is Oga's right here, isn't it?
This is Oga's in here.
Yeah. If you ever see that gate open,
it means you're going backstage.
Yeah, that means the line's long. I have it's a secret, Ian. I'll tell you a secret. How to ninja that line.
Don't say single rider.
Let's go single rider, Ian.
Well, I was just to say because that's not always bad.
I know. I'm just kidding. I want to ride.
Yes.
That was just me being clever and saying, let's go ride Millennium Falcon.
Saying, actually.
Actually.
It's not always sure.
Oh, like ham and eggs, Ian and I. Like ham and eggs, I swear.
The rule of thumb that I've heard is like, when you go down, eventually it splits to get to one of the two like main sides. Yep. If the single rider goes past that, it's going to be some pretty long wait.
Okay. Well, let's find out. We just walked through like 14 photos, I think.
Yeah, but not the photo pass ones.
That's true. All right, so standby is 55. Current time is 6:41. And single rider is accepting applications.
I've actually not come back
here. You haven't? Well, you and I did single rider, I thought. Oh, really? Who did I do single rider with? So this is your first single rider?
Yeah, I mean, I've seen pictures of this hallway because there's not much to look at.
Yeah. typing in Hondo because you don't get to see that scene when you go sing a rider. That's very clever. I like that.
Okay, so the line is at this.
Yeah.
So just decide.
Yeah, that's a long line for single.
Yeah.
This might be my favorite job. Well, I don't know. I haven't done right pilot yet, and that's the hyperspace.
Yeah, and up and down.
Yeah. But Ian and I got arranged together.
Yeah.
We're both blue engineers tonight, and it's a full lobby. My goodness.
I will say, when I came in this morning, they almost immediately were having, okay, you're in the group after this, just get in line next.
How is there nobody? Yeah.
All you have to do is press anything that lights up and flashes, but you're going to have a tough job because things break a lot.
I mean, this is what we're here for, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
It's a holo chest. Good luck with that.
I'm trying to remember Beckett's lines from Solo. He's all, you sure you want to make that move?
Oh, yeah.
Make that move. This means I'm going to have to throw your guy like this. Just got to try to think a few steps ahead.
Yep.
And engineers. Thank you.
All the way to the airfield, please not until your color is cold.
All right, so. All right, pilots, are you guys talking to each other? No, you're not talking to each other?
Yellow crew, yellow crew.
Pilots are talking, so they're going to hit things.
If you shoot anything that shoots at us, an engineer, if you shoot anything that breaks, so my tip to all of you, if you see any flashing lights or switches, make sure to press them and flip them. All right, we're just waiting for Chewbacca to fix the hyperdrive, and then I'll send you down the hall. All right, go ahead, go down all the way down the hallway.
They fixed the hyperdrive? All right.
Back with your stop sign.
Nothing to be afraid of. Yeah? Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Over, my friends. See you in the cockpit. Time for being in the cockpit, of course. Take it up. You're still here. Go, go.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuidado.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Better be
I forgot already.
right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. Then pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out.
Every time.
Weapons are online. Left pilot. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Arriba es
Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that train. Fine engineers. Fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. The pilot brakes. Oh! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. coaxium! You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium! Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car! Get behind the train! Others, shoot the train! Oh, my friend! Yes, yes, yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep after the train!
Oh no, that's bad. That's bad.
Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! Get out of here!
Oh my god.
A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
Fire the missiles!
Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Let's fire it! Hit the boosters! Boost! Look! Let's get out of here! Great job, my friends! You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
What'd you get, Ian? 100%. Nice. Good job.
R5, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's time for you to go. And don't worry, the pain.
We were 100% and 96%.
This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
I was surprised we got the second container. We felt very crashy.
The voice of the safety voices. Get out of these people's way. It's Vanessa Marshall, who's the voice of Hera on Rebels.
Really?
That voice.
Oh, right on.
That's Vanessa Marshall. I don't think that's supposed to be Hera, but that's that voice.
But you might as well, yeah.
The point is that voice actor, which is cool.
That is cool. I want to push all these buttons now. Like,
I wish all of them could go in.
yeah, just toggle it. Just on and off. That's all I'm asking.
Some of these I guess are more lights than buttons, but still.
Still.
We're hauling raptors.
I was going to ask you before if you memorized Hondo's speech yet at the beginning.
Hello, my
Yeah,
friend.
yeah.
I am Hondo Raka. This is Raka Transport Solutions. I
'Cause I-
am the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. I don't remember exactly what comes next.
No, but that sounds about right.
The Millennium Falcon.
When I walked in behind you,
Well, but Chewbacca was a very fast and very profitable expedition.
oh my goodness, how long does it take you to get that?
And as long as you think.
I could never do that. Not ever. Ian has a gift. Ian does have a gift. And it's great fun. One of these days I'll try to, you know, do it with more intent. But I often will catch Ian lip syncing whatever it is that's happening while we're in a queue or, you know.
I would sync it. That way I can feel like I'm having them follow along without disrupting people.
Right. You're not like being that guy in the Haunted Mansion who's like.
I'm still with my mouth, but no sounds
Right.
coming out, so no one's being disrupted.
It's so great though.
Guess what? None of us are going to do a better job than Paul Frees. None of us.
No, that's true. You all wish you were Paul Frees or think you are, but that's one of my very favorite Ian qualities, and I think it goes towards his passion for this park. When you can catch him in those moments, just being being here and having fun in the moment. That's what it's all about, man. But not so loud that you're bugging everybody else.
Exactly.
Exactly. Because nobody else cares if you know the lyrics.
It's for my own satisfaction.
Right.
Therefore, I'll keep it to myself.
That was fun. I had a good time. So they forgot to push like every button.
Oh yeah.
The gunners.
And then the transport solutions employee had the nerve
know.
to say engineers. Like,
Engineer.
Did you see our scores?
I've got the receipts, Ian. I've got the receipts.
Did you see our
It's
scores?
on video.
All the pilots and gunners.
I think I got 96 because I fired too early on the second canister.
No, I was really just waiting to make at least it was lined up. It wasn't vertically lined up correctly, but at least it was horizontally. All right, cool, just going.
Yeah.
Because you're just waiting for it to line up as the engineer to hit it. That's all you're waiting for.
This is still happening.
Yeah, well, because people check in at the end of the line with their reservation.
Yeah.
But it's a reservation now, so it's not just a mad rush.
Are they still not doing standby?
Yes. Yep.
No standby.
Nope. Still just through the app.
All right. Well, okay. I think it's about time to leave Galaxy's Edge for the evening. Ian, where does this entrance exit rank of the three for you?
I like this one the most.
Really?
Because you have this long tunnel, to me it almost, particularly when you're coming into it, because it has this almost like narrowing in effect that makes it look longer, like you're traveling somewhere.
Yeah.
Plus because these sort of cut lines almost like the
kind of like in the Falcon.
almost gives this idea of hyperspace. It's not.
Oh yeah.
It's not like yours, but it implants that idea of.
Yeah.
I don't know. I like it.
I do like it that it's sort of a double reveal because the first tunnel reveals you into Galaxy's Edge, sort of the smooth transition, and then you get a second reveal when you come out of this one, whereas the Frontierland is just the one.
Yeah. Well, because that first night I came in for that, when I got to come with someone for the cast, we came through this tunnel.
Oh, okay.
So we're all waiting right along in here and came in through here.
Well, you know, it's funny. Isn't that like a lot of things where your first is your favorite? Because my favorite is Critter Country, Hungry Bear. That's my favorite entrance. But that was my first entrance also.
Yeah. But I like that. To me, this feels like a smooth transition that still manages to drop you right in the middle of it all.
Yeah.
Which for your first time is this whole like, oh my god, it's all suddenly all.
True. But I like the nature aspect of the Hungry Bear.
10 years when all the trees are big.
Oh, so
it's
cool.
not that the trees are tiny now. Just they're as big as you can buy them.
But there is something, yes, to dropping you right hardcore into the hardest part.
But without it seeming overly abrupt.
No, but there's just to the point that there's different ways to engage the land. Ian, you had your eyes on a parade today, right?
Yeah. Electrical parade's back, and I love it.
It sure is back. I got some video last night. You can see it on FreshBaked on our acoustic channel, the Disneyland Tours channel. But tonight, we're going to watch it, but I'm going to take some photos. I'm going to get some photographic memories of the parade tonight. So we're going to go find a spot to chill, maybe get a treat to end the night, and then I'll probably be back tomorrow. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Baked Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!